Hello viewer, it's a shape here. We will generate the designs. Let's put the more options. Let's make that round rectangular shape. Remove the ends. Add a red design. So that's a yellow color. Then again make the changes. We have a structure here using an eraser tool. So that's the design here.